Welcome to the JHB News and Information channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today, we delve into the murky world of auto-extended warranties. Buckle up, because this is going to be a bumpy ride. These warranties, promising to shield you from financial ruin, can be a gamble. Are they a lifeline or a scam? We're about to find out. Let's face it, car repairs are terrifying. They loom over us, threatening to drain our bank accounts with the turn of a wrench. Extended warranties whisper promises of protection. But are those whispers too good to be true? Imagine this. Your engine throws a rod. You're facing a repair bill the size of a small country's GDP. But wait, you have an extended warranty. Relief washes over you. That's the dream these warranties sell. Protection from the unexpected. Peace of mind in a chaotic world. Who wouldn't want that? They dangle the promise of huge savings, thousands of dollars in repairs, covered for a small monthly fee. Sounds too good to be true? It often is. Here's the catch. Those small monthly fees add up. Fast. You could end up paying more for the warranty than you ever would for repairs. And then there are the scams. Shady companies offering warranties that are about as useful as a chocolate teapot. They vanish faster than your money when you try to file a claim. Even legitimate warranties come with limitations. And believe me, those limitations are extensive. Buckle up, because we're diving into the exclusion zone. The devil in the details, exclusions galore. Here's where the real fun begins. Remember that engine throwing a rod? Well, surprise, it's probably not covered. Wear and tear, they'll say. Didn't maintain your car perfectly? Exclusion. Used the wrong type of oil? Exclusion. Breathed on your car wrong? You guessed it, exclusion. The fine print is designed to confuse and confound. It's like a legal minefield, just waiting to blow your chances of a successful claim to smithereens. Navigating the maze tips for the weary traveler. So, how do you avoid getting lost in the extended warranty wilderness? First, read the fine print. I know, it's about as much fun as a root canal. But it's crucial. It's often said, the large print giveth, but the small print taketh away. Look for clear language. Avoid anything with more jargon than a medical textbook. And be wary of companies that pressure you. A good deal doesn't need a hard sell. Remember, knowledge is power. Don't let the allure of a seemingly good deal blind you to the potential pitfalls. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and maybe, just maybe, you'll survive the extended warranty abyss. Thank you for watching, and remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you find our information valuable, please consider donating to the channel via Cash App, MRJHBJR. Your support will help the channel grow.